Firstly, inviting on stage the chairperson of the session, Sri J.N.M. Rao sir, former Vice President, Supply Chain and Special Projects, Aurobindo Pharma, USA on the dais. Let's welcome him with the echo greetings. Sri J.N.M. Rao sir has completed his BSc from Oriental Secondary High School and AJ Kalasala in Machilipatnam, and he served as Executive Vice President at Biosphere India Pharmaceuticals Private Limited from December 2022 to February 2024 in Hyderabad, Telangana, specializing in developed manufacturing and marketing of specialty pharmaceutical products. During his tenure as Vice President Corporate Strategy at Hetero Drugs Limited from January to August 2016 in the Hyderabad area, he was responsible for business development, supply chain systems and strategic projects. At Aurobindo Pharma USA from August 2012 to January 2015, he has served as Vice President, Supply Chain and Strategic Projects, overseeing supply planning, demand planning and strategic initiatives. As CEO of J&M Pharma Marketing from 2004 to 2008 in the Hyderabad area, he managed API sourcing and focused on emerging markets. As Head International Marketing at Aurobindo Pharma from 2001 to 2003 in Hyderabad area, he led sales and marketing functions for all emerging markets. Co-chairperson of the session, Mr. Kannan. Mr. Kannan on the stage, please. Jex Private Limited, Hyderabad. Kannan is a General Manager of Marketing for Emerging Markets of MSN Laboratories Limited in Hyderabad. I request to please welcome Mr. Kannan with the echo greetings. He was a Senior Group Product Manager at Dr. Reddy's, overseeing the marketing of gastro, hepatology and pain therapies with a team of 1 GPM. His career began as Product Executive as Cadila Pharmaceuticals. Kannan has received high praises from colleagues in industry leaders including Lakshmi and Vice President MEA at a global pharma company, who recommended his blend of scientific knowledge and customer understanding, and Sankar Das, Operating Advisor to Jashvik Capital, who highlighted his brand building skills. Rita, a Global Disease Lead for Breast Cancer at Keytruda, also acknowledges marketing acumen and wisdom continuous success in his career. So we have a very esteemed guest, Mr. Kannan, here with us. And also we have another guest speaker for the same session, Sri Shekhar Mandrekar sir. I request him to please come up on the stage. Let's all keep clapping. There is another co-chairperson with us, Sanjeev Kumar sir, who is a radiologist. While I invite the radiologist Sanjeev Kumar sir, everybody please keep clapping. Let's welcome him with the echo greetings, everyone. And our guest speaker, Shri Shekhar Mandrekar sir, President and Board of Director, MJ Biopharma Private Limited, Mumbai, pursued his BSc Honours with Chemistry from University of Mumbai in 1976. He worked as CEO, Shreya Life Sciences Private Limited from 2001 to 2004. He worked as Director, India Operations, Ranbaxy till 2008. The Hog for around 3 years, and then worked as President, Cadila Pharmaceuticals Limited up to 2015. Shri Shekhar Mandrekar's skills include market planning and market analysis, and is endorsed by many experts of this field. So let's welcome.
The way pharmaceutical industry has progressed, that itself speak about the paradigm. That is a paradigm. That is a paradigm shift, which I'm sure Mr. Shekhar is going to explain to you. I think, hope you will all enjoy. Thank you very much.
Start? Okay, good evening. I'm Dr. Prabha Shankar, Chairman, Sarojini Naidu Vanita Pharmacy Mahavidyalaya. And as you know that we have Silo Jubilee celebrations going on since our college was established by Exhibition Society, our sponsors, in 1998, and this is the 25th year of our institution. And today is the third day of Indo-US Summit, which we have organized by bringing in over 6 US speakers, experts from regulatory, from industry, from academia, and they have come day before yesterday for the inauguration, and yesterday they were there. Today from the national level, our speakers have come and they are addressing the delegates, who are about 1,000 delegates we have registered here from all over Telangana, representing various pharmacy colleges and industry, regulatory. And today our sessions got getting over within about half an hour. Then we will start our cultural programs. And all the industries speakers, regulatory speakers, and also academia speakers, the chairpersons, co-chairpersons, they have addressed the gathering, and lot of knowledge gain, especially sharing their expertise with the delegates happened, and it is for the benefit of the pharma profession. They have come all the way from US, and we are highly thankful to all our speakers, resource persons, for accepting our invitation. And on 18th of this June, we are going to have the valedictory function of our Silver Jubilee celebrations that will be held at the exhibition grounds, where we have requested our president of Exhibition Society, Sridhar Babu Garu. He is a Minister for Industries and Finance, and he has accepted our invitation and he will be there. And some more ministers are going to attend, and officials from various government are going to attend the valedictory function, and where we are going to felicitate around all the chairmans, past secretaries of this institution in the last 25 years who they have served this organization. And thank you very much. We are highly thankful to the media and print media as well as electronic media for covering our events and also publishing in the leading newspapers.
सर स्टूडेंट्स का रिस्पांस कैसा था सर 3 days में?
3 days experience हुआ. And और इसमें 500 स्टूडेंट पार्टिसिपेट करे, वो पूरा पब्लिश करते हैं, पूरा उन लोग जो रिसर्च करे बच्चे लोग, वो पूरा पब्लिश होता, उसको बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट स्क्रूटिनी चेक किए और पूरे पेपर्स टेस्ट करें और उनके और ओरल प्रेजेंटेशंस, एंड उसके हिसाब से ये पूरा पब्लिश होने वाला है, लीडिंग जर्नल्स में होता. Okay.
International conference we are conducting in our college. It's a proud moment for Vanitha Pharmacy Mahavidyalaya, and this is because of our management, especially our chairman sir, Prabhashankar sir, and other GB members of the college. And around 1181 registrations were done in this college, and 28 oral publications, oral presentations, and 231 poster presentations. And it's not a joke that speakers from US, 6 speakers came from US and 4 speakers from India, eminent speakers, and Delhi co-chairman persons are 11, and the chairman persons also 10 members for different sessions. And I think it's a very good opportunity to grab knowledge for the students and also for other delegates who all came here. for attending this conference, and we are very much thankful to the management for giving such a wonderful event in our college. Thank you very much. I am Harika, Dr. Harika, HOD of Pharmaceutics.
Greeting all of you, and myself Dr. Sirisha, Vice Principal, Sarojini Naidu Vanitha Pharmacy Mahavidyalaya. Today we are glad to share with you that we have been celebrating the Indo-US Summit 2024 for the past 3 days, commemorating the Silver Jubilee celebrations of the college. The college has been established way back 25 years, and we have reached the first milestone, and it is a very proud moment for us. And this summit is a huge gathering of the public from various parts of India as well as from abroad. It is an Indo-US summit wherein delegates have come all over India and from different states of America, and they have delivered good sessions pertaining to technical as well as personality development, healthcare, all this related to the development of the medicine and benefiting the students of pharmacy. So industrialists have come over here, drug regulators have come over here, academicians. It is a varied, it is like a flower bouquet with different flowers in it. So we have a huge gathering of people from all the sectors on one same platform, and this is because of the meticulous planning that has been done over the past few months, and with the tremendous efforts done by our chairman, Professor V. Prabhashankar sir, and other management members, the vice chairman, the secretary sir, treasurer sir, and all the governing body members who support, and it involves a huge expenditure. All cannot go for it, but our management, they have not left any stone unturned, and they have seen that this becomes the best summit in the present days, to be remembered for years together. And the delegates are very happy, and all the people who have attended, especially the students, the faculty delegates, the industrialists, everyone have returned with a very positive